Hey friends, today we're making a super duper yummy pizza with our best buddy Masha. Are you ready? Because this pizza is going to be extra cheesy and extra fun. First, let's gather all our magical pizza ingredients we need. Eggs, olive oil, cappuccino sausage, cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, spicy sauce. Great! We have got everything we need. High five! Now it's time to prepare. Let's start by cutting them into tiny, tasty small pieces, just like I'm doing. Be careful with the meat. Now we gently open the cappuccino sausage carefully. Next step, cheese time. Let's grate the cheese, both the cheddar and the mozzarella. Whoa, look at all the cheese. Perfect. All our ingredients are ready. Now, let's make a pizza sauce. Let's add water into a pan and add olive oil and then salt. Open the tomato sauce lid carefully and pour it to the pan. Similarly, add some chili sauce and stir it well. Ah, smells perfect. Let's make a pizza dough. Break the eggs and add it to the bowl. And then add some flour. Now pour some water. Cut the yeast packet gently and then add to the bowl. At last, add pinch of salt. Now stir it well. Yay, our pizza dough is ready. Let's roll our pizza to give it a perfect circle shape. Yeah, it's done. Now it's pizza time. Place the dough in front and start decorating like an artist. Now spread the spicy sauce all over the dough. Add some mozzarella cheese. Next, place the cappuccino sausage slices on top. Then sprinkle the grated cheddar cheese. And for extra yumminess, add some small pieces of cappuccino sausage again. Now, let's bake it. Preheat the oven, slide the pizza in, and wait for the magic to happen. And it's done. Our delicious pizza is ready to eat. Doesn't it look amazing? All right, friends, that's all for today's video. I hope you had fun watching it. And if you do, then do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Now we'll meet again in the next video. Till then, take care, keep smiling, and stay fun, Fantiso.